Hi, Greg Sidoff here. I just wanted to reach out to you guys through putting together a little video and a fundraiser, and that's called Helping Hands to Vulnerable Children. I've been working with this organization for, a little over, I don't know, about 2 years, I guess. And I've been helping out these kids. But I've got on the phone Dalen Charles, and he's going to explain what the situation is. This is an orphanage he's running in Uganda, and he helps to take the kids off the street, feeds them, educates them, and all sorts of things like that. So, Charles, go ahead. Come on the phone right now.
Thank you, Greg. My name is Daniel Charles. I'm from Uganda. I live in Jinja City, Uganda. I run an organization called Helping Hands to Vulnerable Children, purposely helping children on the streets and those who are affected with HIV, and they cannot afford any assistance. Currently, we have 217 children registered with us.
How many kids are with you?
There are 217 children.
Right. But you take care of how many kids in the orphanage?
Yes, there are 217 children. So these children are between the age of 3 to 18, and they need assistance. Currently, they need assistance in education, assistance in feeding, assistance in providing all the basic needs. More so, food is an important thing in their lives. Since they have been on the streets, we withdraw them from the streets and then roll them back to school so that they can have a future and thrive. Therefore, we are seeking for your assistance. We are seeking for any donation that you can. If at all you can provide with scholastic materials, if you can provide with anything which you know that it can help a kid to thrive, we need your assistance. We need a school where they can be sheltered, because currently we are just renting and the bills always are high. Maintaining them, we alone, we cannot manage. So we need your assistance. We know that when we are together with you, we can make more than we are alone. Mr. Greg has always been trying to help us for the past years. So if you join and you get involved, it will be a great thing to the lives of the children.
Right. And how much, okay, so like $100 ends up helping to feed how many of the kids?
$100 can run kids for only 1 day for a meal. Since there are many, it can run them for only 1 meal a day.
Right. You were saying because you're running out of money, the kids are hopping over the fence to escape, to go out in the streets, and then they turn into slavery, or things happen to them off in the streets. So the whole point here is, guys, give whatever you can, $20, $10, $100, and I'll run this fundraiser, and whatever you can do to help, that'd be greatly helped, because Bill is a great man, putting his hand out and helping out these children, and right now there's a lot of starving kids within his orphanage. So whatever you can do would greatly help.
Yes, $100 can run them for 1 meal a day. So 7 days they need $100. So if anyone can come up with 10, 5, 20, 50, 100, any amount, it will be a great thing to support the children.
Right.
We want you to get involved.
So
welcome everybody.
Right. And so just reach out and get on to Helping Hands to Vulnerable Children. You can log in there and like them, and then I'll do this fundraiser and see if we can't raise some money to help out, and then we can track it and he can come back on. Can't do video live because he's just unable to. But you guys have a blessed day. And Charles, what do you got to say?
Sorry?
Well, I just wanted to say we're going to let this one go, and I'm going to let, if you could say anything to reach out to these people.
Of course, we are so grateful that any assistance that comes in, we are thankful for it, and always we shall be grateful. We need your assistance. As we join hands, we can stand, but if at all we don't join, we can't stand. We know that everything we can do more to help these children when we are together with you. When you are away, we can't do anything. So any assistance which can come in, we shall be so grateful and so thankful. Even the children will be so happy. We want you to see these children smiling. We want you to see these children mention your name, like they used to mention for prayer every day. So we know that these children cannot forget you for the assistance that you give to them. And
okay, so I'll post some more information on it, and then we'll even post his license on there to show the proof that they are legitimate, because I've done what I can to try to check them out, and they are a legitimate organization. And all the money goes directly to them. It's not going anywhere else. So I'm going to let you guys go, and I just look forward to you guys helping out in the cause, and that means a lot.